Hi all, it is a great pleasure to participate in the Daksh AI Hackathon for faculty and present our innovative idea. Let me begin with a simple question. What if every concept taught in a classroom could instantly become a real world problem for students to solve? Today, most classrooms still follow a traditional model. Students read concepts, they memorize definitions, they write exam. But the real world does not ask us to narrate definitions. The real world asks us to analyze problems, make decisions, and create solutions. And this creates a gap between what students learn in classrooms and what they face in the real world. This gap inspired our idea, Dynamic Case Study Generator. I am Dr. M. Perarasi along with Dr. T. Karthik from the BEST Center, and today we are excited to present how artificial intelligence can transform theoretical learning into real world experiences. In many educational environments today, learning is still theory heavy. Students study concepts from textbook, attend lectures and prepare for exams. However, they often struggle to answer one important question. Where is this concept used in the real world? Because of this, we see several challenges. Theory heavy learning, lack of contextual examples, limited practical exposure, passive learning methods. As a result, students may remember concepts temporarily, but deep understanding and long term retention remain low. Education should not just transfer information, education should develop thinkers and problem solvers. Today, many students struggle to connect theoretical learning with real world applications. Traditional teaching methods often limit understanding, creating a gap between knowledge and practical implementation. This highlights the need for an intelligent learning approach that transforms theory into real world insight. To address this challenge, we developed the Dynamic Case Study Generator. It is an AI powered learning platform that automatically converts theoretical topics into real world case studies. Imagine this scenario. A teacher enters the topic supply chain management. Within a seconds, our AI generates a real world case study. For example, an Indian e-commerce company facing delivery disruptions due to logistical delays. Students are then asked to analyze the problem, identify bottlenecks, propose solutions. Now, students are not just learning theory, they are thinking like decision makers. Our system provides AI generated case studies in Indian context, visual explanations and diagrams, FAQ knowledge discovery, interactive MCQ based evaluation, personalized learning reports. This transforms learning from passive reading into active problem solving. Today's education system focuses heavily on theory, but real understanding comes through application. Many students find it difficult to visualize how concepts work in real world technologies. This gap between knowledge and practice limits innovation. Our approach aims to bridge the gap through smarter and more interactive learning. At the heart of our system is a multi-agent AI framework. Think of it as a team of intelligent assistants working together. When a student enters a topic, the AI orchestrator acts as the brain of the platform. It coordinates multiple specialized AI agents. For example, the case study agent generates a real world scenario. The diagram agent creates visual explanations. The FAQ agent discovers important questions. The evaluation agent generates MCQ assessment. After the student answers, the explanation agent analyzes the performance and provides personalized feedback. It is the student's struggle. If the student struggles, the system adapts automatically. It provides simpler explanations, additional examples, new case studies. All learning sessions are stored in a database, allowing the system to continuously improve the learning experience. Finally, the platform generates a learning report summarizing the student's progress. Our platform provides several intelligent capabilities to enhance learning. It features an AI chat interface that helps students understand concepts through interactive discussions. The system generates real-world case studies and visual learning assets to simplify complex topics. It also supports FAQ-based knowledge discovery for quick information access. Additionally, adaptive MCQ evaluation accesses student understanding, while learning report generation tracks progress and improves overall learning performance. Our system follows a continuous learning loop. First, the student enters a topic. The AI generates a real-world case study. Next, the system provides a visual explanations to simplify the concept. Students then complete MCQ-based evaluation. The AI analyzes the performance. If gaps are detected, the system provides additional explanations and new examples. Then the student is re-evaluated. This adaptive cycle ensures that every student learns at their own pace. When a student performance is low, the AI system provides additional support through more examples, simplified explanations and extra case studies. After learning reinforcement, the system performs the re-evaluation to ensure the student clearly understands the concepts. Let me demonstrate how our AI-powered learning platform transforms traditional education into an interactive and application-driven experience. First, we have the dynamic case study generator. The user enters a topic and real-world context such as an IoT battery monitoring system used in industrial environments. Once a session begins, the platform automatically generates an interactive case study. It clearly visualizes the system architecture, including sensors, gateways, cloud processing, dashboards and alert mechanism, while also explaining the complete data flow step by step. This helps students understand how theoretical concepts actually work in real world systems. After learning the case study and clarifying the doubts through FAQ, the platform evaluates the student using an intelligent MCQ assessment. These questions are designed not to just to test memory but to evaluate analytical thinking and real world problem solving ability. Students can attempt standard or advanced level questions and receive the instant feedback on their performance. Finally, the system provides a comprehensive overall evaluation report. It calculates the student scores, explains the correctness of each answer, and identifies the areas that need improvement. If the performance is low, the AI recommends additional case studies, simplified explanations, and learning materials before allowing the student to attempt a re-evaluation. Through this continuous cycle of learning, assessment and improvement, our platform ensures deeper understanding, stronger concept clarity and better real-world application of knowledge. So these are all the another examples. By concluding, education should not be about memorizing information. It should be about understanding the real world and solving problems. The dynamic case study generator transforms theoretical learning into real-world problem-solving experiences. By combining artificial intelligence, adaptive learning, and experiential education, we help students move beyond memorization toward deep understanding and official thinking. As Albert Einstein once said, education is not the learning of facts but the training of the mind to think. With our platform, students will not just study concepts, they will experience them, and that is the future of education. Thank you for your time and attention. Together, let us transform learning into understanding and innovation. Thank you.